I went out this morning and found 3 of our early tomatoes were ready and a small zucchini, and popped into my head, what are we gonna do? A wonderful countertop pasta sauce. Very simple. I diced those 3 tomatoes. I had a small little first zucchini, so I have that diced, and wonderful garlic scapes, including microgreens from Caring Corral. So in they're going. A little bit of salt, ground pepper, and oil, a good half of a cup. That's gonna sit for the day. It's now evening. The sauce has been sitting covered on the counter for the day. The tomatoes have softened, so has the zucchini. I have done a pound of pasta. It's all cooked and ready to go. This is a wonderful countertop pasta sauce with fresh microgreens. Order yours today and stop by the olive scene for that fresh pressed extra virgin olive oil.